What's up, everybody? Saboloco coming in here with a new video. Gonna be checking out a Pokemon Go Elite Trainer box. Move this up for you guys so you can see. Okay, we're gonna be checking that out. And I have this little stackable tin that I picked up at a Poke Shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. I think I'm gonna open that first and then the Pokemon Go. So let's see what kind of pulls I can get. I've actually never seen this stackable tin before. So we'll see if I get anything good out of it. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Let's see what we get. Okay. Okay. Tin's empty. We get a Pikachu coin. Okay. We got ourselves a Vivid Voltage. We got a Chilling Rain. And an Evolving Skies pack. Alright. Pretty good solid lineup. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we get. Go ahead and start with the Vivid Voltage. Alrighty. Start off with Slugma, Whismur, Zekicute, Woobat, Beldum. We got a Ferroseed for a reverse, and a non-hollow Acremi. So no hit in the first one. On to Chilling Rain. See if we can pull anything good. Alrighty. See what we get. Dueling, Delibird. Ooh, Spheal, Swirlix, Reverse Heracross, non-hollow Spiritomb. We are 2 for 2 on nothing. Well, onto the Evolving Skies pack. See if we get any better hits on this one. Whoa. Oh, it's the... I think it's the original. The original print. Okay. Let's see what we get. Zora, Mareep, Teddiursa, Sableye. We got a Lotad. Cutiefly Reverse. Oh, we got a Hollow Entei. Okay, I'll consider that the first hit. It's at least something. Still not the best, but it is something. Alright, let me go ahead and move these to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and crack into this Pokemon Go Elite Trainer box. Hopefully get something good. It's been a little while since I opened this. Okay. Crack it open. You get your little player guide. And let's see what we get. Pretty excited. Move this up for you. Wow, that's like all warped. Okay. Well, we get all of our Pokemon Go packs. And then you get all your other stuff, which includes those pretty cool Mewtwo sleeves. Oh. There is a promo card. I totally forgot about this. We got the Mewtwo full art promo card. Okay, I like that. That looks pretty nice. It is really off-centered, but oh well. Let's see what kind of pulls we get. Pokemon. Okay, we got ourselves a Magikarp, Onix, Eevee, Spinarak, Wimpod. We got a Reverse Solrock, and we're starting it off with a Venusaur Hollow. Okay, getting one of the starters as a Hollow. I'm okay with that. It's a good way to start it out. I do like Venusaur. On to the next one. Okay, let's see what we get. Larvitar, Apom, Spinarak, Rattata, Wimpod. We got a Reverse Numble into just a Melmetal Hollow. So, not the best. We got more to go. really want to get that alternate Mewtwo artwork. Let's see if I get my wish on that. Alolan Rattata. Numel. And I'm still looking for the Ditto if I see it. I do like getting those. Larvitar. Reverse Slowbro. Oh my goodness, check it out. We got a Rainbow Blanche. Hey, that's pretty sweet. I haven't had a rainbow card in forever. That looks amazing. Okay. That's a it's pretty clean. I mean, it's got a little whitening on the edge, but other than that, pretty good shape. That's our first real hit today. I'll take that. Yeah. Sweet. Alrighty. Into the next one. We got Charmander, Apom, Bulbasaur, Bidoof, Reverse Zatu, and a regular Hollow Lapras. So, still not what we're looking for, but it is a hit. Alrighty. Okay, starting off with Charmander. Eevee, Natu, Apom, Raticate, Reverse Gyarados, into Alolan Executor V. Okay. That's another hit. We'll take it. We'll take it. On to the next one. Okay, we got Slowpoke. Ooh. Pikachu. Spinarak. Alolan Rattata. The reverse version of Blanc. And another Venusaur Hollow. Well, we gotta get that Charizard and the Blastoise. On the next one. Let's see what we get. Onix. Magikarp. Eevee. Got another Numel. Raticate. Reverse Tranquil. Oh, this time we got a Hollow Gyarados hit. Okay, so now we've gotten the regular Hollow and the reverse. Okay, we have 3 packs remaining. Here goes nothing. Okay, starting off with a Bidoof. Wimpod. Bidoof. Magikarp. And Eevee. Reverse Ariados. Ooh, I see something. Oh, it dropped. Conkeldurr V. Alrighty, it's a hit. We'll take it. Another V card for us. 2 more Pokemon Go packs. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got Melton, Charmander, Apom, Bulbasaur, Dove, Slowbro Reverse, into a Blissey Hollow. Still not what we're looking for, but we still got 1 more pack. We got that last pack magic. Let's go for this. Alrighty, here goes nothing. Natu, Slowpoke, Bidoof, we got Onix, Charmander, Reverse Eevee. Ooh, and we got a Conkeldurr V this time. Okay, we did get another hit. I'll take it. It's at least something. Alrighty. That was all the packs I had in the video. But next time we'll do probably do a box set. I haven't done one of those in a little while. But if you did enjoy the content, please like the video. And if you want, subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys next one. Thanks. Bye.